So over here you can see that I have this picture right here in OneDrive. So let me just go around and open it and then click on edit from over here. So once I do that, I get the editing options as you can see right here, and there's different options that I can choose from. So I can choose crop, adjustment, and filter right here. But let's just go around onto markup in this particular video. So if you want to add in annotations onto your video, or markups as you like to say, then you can see that you can choose a pen right here and simply draw around in this particular image. You can go around over here, choose a different color over here as well, and change the size of the markup as well, and simply go around and then draw out as you can see right here. You can go around over here and you can see that there's different option over here for the markup as well. So you can see that this actually pops up as an arrow over here as I select this. For this one, if I were to go around, you can see that it is a double-sided arrow over here. So I can choose the color right here, make it into a straight line. You can go around and make it into a straight arrow line over here. Or you can go around and make it into a double arrow line, double straight arrow line as well. So this is what you have right here, the pen option. Then you got different sort of pens like black pen over here as well, which does a similar job as you can see, and you can select the same options as well, just like this as you can see right here. Then you got the highlighter right here, which is more like transparent, and you get the same option over here as well. You can change around the size of the highlighter and you can change around the color as well, but with the highlighter it is transparent. And you can choose freestyle right here or straight line in case of highlighter. Then you got remove ink strokes, and if I were to go around and then click and drag, you can see that it erases out the ink strokes just like this. And over here, if you want to clear out everything, then you can simply click on clear all ink stroke just like this as you can see right here. And that is how you can go around and add in markups to images inside of Microsoft OneDrive. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.